To find all keyboard settings on the OnePlus Nord CE5, you can just simply open the settings. Now you have to scroll down, go to the system and update. Right now select keyboard and input method, and here you are. So when you go for manage keyboards, you can find your default keyboard is called Gboard. This is the keyboard from Google, where you can find like every option that you can use. Over here you can also find the Google voice typing, and over here you can find some other keyboard settings, some input assistants, even the mouse pointer speed if you connect it, but also some settings you can find over here when you open the keyboard, like clipboard, or when you click here you can find option for changing size of the keyboard, some translation while typing. We can find floating keyboard, one-handed mode, some text editing things. So this is like everything that you can find over here.